before we start, we actually have to rewind to the night before. Lately, every Sunday, I go on Pinterest and just find all the outfits I've recently pinned. Pick 5 I want to wear, and then I just go through my closet and actually try and recreate the outfits. It's just to help me actually be excited for my clothes, because I got a decent amount of clothes and I love my clothes. But I look on Pinterest and I'm like, I want to look like that, so I go buy that outfit instead of stopping and actually calculating and be like, Kelty, can you recreate that outfit? And I used to kind of do that the night before, but I find the night before I get lazy. Sundays I got time, I just have to put it together like 5 casual outfits, 5 workout outfits, and then I'm like set for the week. Scoop neck, flared leggings. I screwed up. My athletic greens is supposed to go in that, and then electrolytes. I screwed up. There. Good morning, sunshine. The sun is my most toxic trait is that I'm that person that makes my bed every morning and then puts it on the internet. And yeah, I don't have a bed frame yet. I move a lot. I will get there. Patience is a virtue, especially for the internet. You know, like the blocky style one that everyone has on Pinterest apparently? They're really expensive. And I found like a soft one under $500. I'll keep you posted. Sorry the lighting's gonna be bad right now, but we're like, it's a vibe. It's a little moody. You ever buy something that you're like, that is so frivolous, why am I spending that much money on something? But then you use it every day and you're like, when I break it down to how often I use it, it was worth every penny. That is the skim rope. It is everything. Not glamorous part of my morning routine. Every morning I use vitamin C. This has helped to reduce the redness and blotchiness I naturally have. I have really sensitive dry skin. I'm trying not to be so aggressive, a bit more loving of my skin. And I used to use this moisturizer, but I've recently switched, because that ran out, to this one. It's been marvelous. Not so aggressive. The absolute most important for me, everyone's different, and I'm not a skincare professional, to reduce the redness. Oh, there's my morning skincare. It's really simple. The Sunshine Anti-Pollution Drops, so give your skin just a bit of colors. It protects your skin from like pollution. I could be totally making this up. And so it just gives a little bit of a glow. Bare Minerals. Thought would be really aesthetic if I just farted. I've also been just trying to highlight my lips a bit more, so I'll just line them just a little. Because I've stopped kind of wearing mascara, except when I'm on camera, so you guys want to know that. But I've been trying to make my lips more of a highlight. Oh, you know what this means. I really feel that. I chug as much of this as possible. And not so much that I'm like, oh, I need to get a liter of water in. I'm so parched when I wake up. Like, I can't fathom drinking coffee before I have water. Oh, this didn't really foam too well today. I had a sad amount of foam. I won't lie, there's an odd satisfaction when you look outside and you only see like 3 lights. There's only like 3 lights on, I'm like, I beat everyone else. I won. I tried to take an aesthetic shot and this is what happened.
This is not looking good. I'm gonna try and put this in the washing machine after. Kidding me, I cannot make this up. I cannot make this up. I'm so upset right now. I wish I was making this up. I wish I was making this up. This stupid tripod. I'm trying so hard to just show you this most peaceful part of my morning, and it's literally turned into an absolute nightmare. And so I don't know how these people do it. I'm just trying to enjoy my morning and film it, and this has turned into just utter chaos. I'm going to cry. I just want to sit and enjoy my coffee, and I've spilled it so many times. Trash, I'm so upset at it. It is the fault of that. I'm gonna attempt to curl in a ball and try to sit in this corner where it's all wet. Normally now, I would sit here, and this is my favorite part of the day. I sit in this corner with my fuzzy blankets and my coffee and my iPad and my iPhone, and I relax. And I enjoy and slowly ease into the day. And I was hoping to show you guys. I showed you everything I'm trying to avoid. I don't have social media on this, and I avoid social media and all those things, but what I've done is I made a fake Twitter. Watch me, I'm secretly an internet troll. No, never. And I just follow like 10 accounts, like one's like weather. It's like curated news, and I just slowly ease into the day. Best purchase I've ever made. I use this pencil planner, do my to-dos for the day. Little custom daily writing. 3 things I'm grateful for, realign with my goals, what I'm proud of, what I can do differently. Just a reminder of my goals, and then I have like a daily habit checklist. I want to make this prettier, but like my morning habits. Visualize my goal, mantra, organize what I text to my iPad, because I text my iPad. Here's a little tip. Anything that comes to mind, I'm like, ooh, remember that. I text my iPad. Afternoon, I always want to film outside, work in an inspiring environment, call or see someone after work. At night, I actually do the gratitude list at night. It's really raw, but slowly, like every weekend, I'm just making it a bit prettier. Also, these PJs are from Victoria's Secret, and I got them oversized, and they're the comfiest thing. These Uggs have seen the world. From Russia, went to Sweden, came back to Canada with me. They are weathered. Gym outfit, back to buying Lulu. I'm back on my... The internet knows it as a capsule wardrobe. I call it a curated closet. More intention with my closet, so I will be talking more about that in future videos. So like I can mindlessly pack everything, kind of goes together. These shorts, this sports bra, this I can wear every day and be happy. That's how proud I am that I have all these matching. I've had these 2 years now, a year and a half now. My boyfriend actually bought them for me. And this is how crazy I am. I had to get a new phone because it broke my other. So I was like, well, I might as well match them. And then I had to get a case for my iPad. I was like, well, might as well make them match. I have my water bottle. And so yeah, they all match. But it was a process. It was like a year and a half process to make all my products match. And then I also have my green one because normally I'd wear the green to match. And then I kind of hate that I'm saying that. I feel really put together when I show up to a coffee shop. And I'm like, yeah, I'm that bitch. I would go on my run right now, but I'm actually gonna go on my run after work. You didn't know I'm doing a run streak. I usually prefer to run in the morning, but because of the coffee spill, I'm running out of time to make it to this workout class. The worst part about living in Vancouver is the leaves are not crunchy. I'm from Alberta, which is super dry. There's nothing more satisfying than seeing a big leaf and crunching it. And here it's just like, on my way to a house concept workout. Lately, this fall, I've been booking workouts at 7 a.m. primarily Monday, Tuesday, because it hurts the bank account. But it's given me a lot of structure because I have to be out of the house at like 6:45. I can get to the office by like 8. Let's go.
2 to 3 times a week I use a cleansing cream. I've been told it removes the sweat, dirt, and product from your hair but leaves the natural oils. Then 1 to twice a week I use a natural shampoo.
Post-workout skincare, post-workout makeup.
I've tried lately. My goal has been to think of massaging my face because I'm a face picker. I'm like trying to find the satisfaction instead of picking from massaging.
The makeup you see here is the makeup I'd be doing if I was going to be on camera or going out with friends. Now, something I've been doing over the last couple years, which has drastically changed my skin, is thinking of makeup like skincare. I only use products that have skincare benefits and that hydrate my skin. And I find if it's going to sit on my face all day, I want it to almost be like a skincare mask. And I've seen such a drastic improvement in my skin, which makes me wear less makeup, which makes me save money, and it's kind of a win-win.
I normally let it air dry because I don't have a brush. Breakfast. I don't really have a specific place to eat breakfast. Sometimes it's at the studio. Sometimes it's at home. Sometimes it's running down the street. Sometimes it's at the place I just worked out. Today I was like, you know what? I was 2 minutes from the harbor right here. Let's just sit on this bench. I don't want to flex on y'all, but I'm down 2 of these. So Melody, go drink some water. One day I will graduate as an adult and buy an actual place to put my lunch, not just a Lulu disposable. It's a way of life in Vancouver. This is lovely, but it's also giving me severe anxiety that I should get moving. Let's go. Hi, could I have an oat milk cappuccino? I have oat milk works. Honey, I'm home. Long distance problem. Yeah, that would be my morning. Then I'd work till 1 or 2 and go grab some food, and then work till 5 to 7, or sometimes pull an all-nighter because 'tis YouTube. Let me know down in the comments if you guys like this video. I have felt a little disconnected from you guys. I felt like I've been doing a ton of challenges, and I do love these bit more like relatable video vlogs, whatever you want to call them. I would love to know if you guys like this kind of video, if you want a bit more day in the life in Vancouver, my workout routine, what I eat, my travels, maybe request some things in the comments. I'm always like, big, extreme, but then I'm like, as much as it's fun to watch me do a triathlon, I was like, is that really unrelatable? Because if it weren't for YouTube, I know I probably wouldn't have done it. Maybe because I'm a little crazy like that. And if you like this video, give a thumbs up. I'll know you liked it. One tip, just go out and see the sun in the morning. That's my number one. That's like, if everything else goes to crap, because not every day is perfect. Some days are shorter, some days are longer, some days I'm traveling. But if I'm like traveling, I can also do like a shortened morning routine, like my mini I have no time 20-minute, 30-minute routine, or my travel routine. If you guys want that morning routine, comment that down below. Also, if you're new here, hit subscribe. I'd love to have you along on this journey that is my life. Oh, sorry. Have a great day. Go pet a dog. Love you guys. Bye.